Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair headband wig for you guys. This video is brought to you again by HerGivenHair. So I have worked with HerGivenHair so many times, especially in the last 4 months since the headband wig trend has popped off. And I'm coming to you guys with another kinky curly wig. I'm going to be trying their Streaky Coils band wig. I have already washed this wig. I washed it this morning actually. It dried pretty fast because I think kinky curly wigs, they dry fast, and I put it in front of a fan. So it takes me about 45 minutes to an hour to do my makeup. So while I was doing my makeup, I had it in front of a fan. I have it on my mannequin head right now, my canvas head. And if you're curious as to where I got this is from Amazon. I have an Amazon affiliate link down below if you want to purchase it. And it is 23 inches, so it matches my head size. And you can get yours to your head size as well. So what I did was, I do have a separate video on how I define my curls. I use my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, and I have mentioned this in my previous videos. If you haven't watched my wig lovers gift guide video featuring Is That Your Hair, definitely watch it. This was one of my suggestions in that video. I love how it clumps curls and defines them. I use it on my natural hair as well. So I'll have that link down below, and I'll have the video so you guys can see the process of me doing clumping the curls and stuff. I'll have that video linked as well. So this is what the streaks look like. And I have reviewed a ombre wig from HerGivenHair, but this one is way more subtle and I really love it. It's like just kind of sun-kissed at the tips. It's not like, you know, the dark root and then most of it is the color. These are nice highlights here. Okay, so this is a coily texture. This is a texture I've tried several times. So this is the 3C to 4A texture, and it's 18 inches as I told you guys. It's a medium cap. Very, very beautiful. I have already laid my edges down with the Shea's Balm Edge Control here. Lays my edges down really well. I've been using it solid for a couple, like 2 months or so. A recommendation from Natural Joy, and I have been loving it on my type 4 hair. I'm gonna try it on without my wig grip so I can get a better estimation of what the cap size feels like. Because a lot of headband wigs are pretty tight actually, for me anyway. And I have a 23-inch circumference head, so we're gonna see what it feels like. And I don't use the combs on my wigs. I haven't for the last like 2 or 3 months. I prefer to use a wig grip so I don't damage my hair. Yeah, this medium cap does feel small. I can't deny that at all. It does feel pretty small. So, but I'm still gonna wear my wig grip. So I'm gonna put my wig grip on just so the wig stays in place even though it's tight. And I'm just gonna slide it back. Of course, if you don't wanna cover you don't want your edges exposed, you can just, you know, wear it like this. I personally don't think it looks as natural that way, but some people, you have to cover your edges because, you know, of hair loss and stuff. But I'm going to slide mine back to show mine. Okay, so I'm going to take this pick and start to fluff it out a bit. Oh, and something I want to mention, if you, underneath your headband wig, I would recommend to have your hair braided down. My hair is kind of in a blown out state, so it's more silky than it normally is. So it makes it easier for the wig to slide off because my hair is silkier right now. But I would recommend like braiding your hair so your wig has something to, you know, grip onto a little bit more than having super silky hair. Okay, I wanted to look for a headband to go with like my top. So I wanted something like blush pink. And I have this velvet knotted headband here. And this is not like the traditional one that you just plop on your head. This goes like, has the stretchy elastic back. And a company sent this to me when they sent me a headband wig. But if I can find a dupe or like the exact one on Amazon or something like that. I'll link it down below. And because this wig is so big, I took the wig off for a second to put the headband on first, to reposition my wig grip too, because that was sliding back. Alright guys, I am back and I have applied this wig. Very easy, of course, because that's what headband wigs are. They are convenient and very easy. This is very pretty. I actually do prefer this one over the ombre one that I reviewed a couple months ago, just because the highlights are more subtle. It's very, very beautiful. This is gorgeous. Okay, so in the washing process, I did get some shedding, but that is to be expected because it's a kinky curly wig. And a lot of kinky curly wigs tend to shed a lot during the washing process, but you won't get that as much when it's dry. And the only time I'm like running my hands through it is to fluff it, so I wouldn't really get shedding while it's dry. Yeah, so I'm just wearing it kind of like in a wash and go state. But of course, these wigs offer a lot of versatility. You can do twist outs, braid outs, all kinds of styles. I have done a braid out with one of my kinky coily wigs that was like a type 4 texture. And I have done some twist outs with my HerGivenHair wigs before as well. So you don't have to just wear it like this. They do offer a lot of versatility. And you guys already know, if you see HerGivenHair in the title, it is going to be more expensive. This is one of those higher end companies that I feature on my channel. You know, plan accordingly. If you're somebody who is ready to invest in something that's more expensive, then I would highly recommend HerGivenHair. They do have great quality and they do know how to do kinky curly wigs really well in a variety of different textures. This wig, the base price is $295. That is the base price for the shortest length. And then the more specs you add to it, it will go up. With my specs, mine is $455. Yes, that is expensive. So if they have any coupon codes, I'll list them down below. But if they don't and it's out of your range, that's okay. Make sure to support my other human hair headband wig videos. I do have a full playlist for you guys with different price points, different textures, synthetic, human hair. All of them are on there. And I recently dropped my top 10 human hair headband wigs video, and it featured all of my favorite ones, so you can watch that video. Just get acquainted with the headband wig playlist as well, so you can figure out which one is going to work best for you. But this is pretty, and this is another option for you guys. Yeah, so shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for supporting my channel. As I'm recording this, it's Sunday, December 6th, and I think I'm like super duper close to 150K. And if by now we have reached 150K, shout out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I do have some stuff lined up for you guys. I'm getting that all together. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support you guys have shown over the past years, but especially in 2020, a crazy year like this, we have grown a lot, and I appreciate you guys. So if you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload and do premieres. Join the premiere squad. It's a lot of fun to interact as we watch the video and everything live together. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure you're subscribing, your notifications are on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.